Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about interest. Okay, the meaning of interest and types of interest. Okay, when we have to go somewhere, suppose we are going out of a station, we take a hotel, okay, or we hire a taxi to go somewhere. When we use that thing, suppose we are hiring a taxi and we reach our place, then we pay some money to that taxi driver. Okay, we return his taxi, his car, as well as give some amount of money. That amount of money is called fare. Okay, जिसे हम हिंदी में किराया कहते हैं, भाड़ा कह सकते हैं, and fare. Similarly, when we have food in a restaurant, we pay the money. Okay. Similarly, when you watch a movie, okay, we pay the amount written in the ticket. So that amount is called the bill. When you go to some hotel and when you check out, we return the hotel as it is, along with that some amount of money. Okay, that amount is called the you can say rent of fare. Now, similarly, when we use money after the end of that, when end of any time, suppose we have taken money for 1 year. So after 1 year, we return the money as well as some extra money. That extra money is called interest. Okay, it can be more clear by giving you an example of bank. When we go to a bank and ask for a loan, bank give us the loan. Suppose we have taken a loan for 1 lakh and we use the money for any purpose, for wedding, for making your house, anything. After the end, suppose we are taken for 2 years. So after 2 years, we return 1 lakh. We return 1 lakh. Okay, and plus some amount of money. Okay, some money. This some money is called, which extra money which we are adding is called interest. Okay, and the total money which we are returning is called the amount. So we can say that interest is the extra money when we return the money which we have borrowed. Okay. Now second thing is the types of interest. Okay. There are two types of interest. One is a simple interest and other is a compound interest. Simple interest and now, to explain these two topics, I'll take one example here. Okay, and I'll take the example of a simple interest here and a compound interest here. Suppose you go to a bank and you deposit the money in the bank. We used to deposit and we take the. This time we are depositing the money in the bank. The bank will use the money. It is not like that. That bank has some safe and is going to put all this money. No, he is going to give to some other people. You have given to bank, and bank will give to other people. Suppose you have given 1,000 rupees in the month of January in the bank, and suppose the bank is giving money after every 1 month. Okay, you are taking 1,000 deposited. Now after 1 month, that is in the month of February, when you will go to check your account, you will have this account, this much amount. You will have 1,000 there plus some extra money. Suppose the bank is giving me 10%. I am taking a 10%. Yeah. Okay. The 10% of, so he will give you 10% of this. So in your account, he will give you 100 more. Now the money is this 1001%. Okay? This is the called the interest. And the money which is bank is using, the bank which is using is the 1000. This is the principal. This is the principal. This is the interest. And the total amount which is in your account after the end of the date, means after this January, February, at the end of Feb, it will be amount. Okay. Now in the month of Feb, now what have you done? You have taken out 1,000. That extra money that bank has given to you, you have taken it out. Now in the month of March, how much money the bank will use? You have taken it 100 from it. The rest of the money is still in the bank. So you will have again 1,000. The bank will use Feb to March 1,000. 1,000 you use करेंगे. Again the bank will give you 1,000 on this 10% on this, because the bank is using your 10,000. Sorry, 100. 1,000. Okay. So the bank will give you 100 rupees again. Now you are having 1,100 again. Now again you have taken 100. You have taken 100. Here also you have taken 100. Again the bank will use for April, for March to April 1,000. Bank से वही आपको 1,000 यूज करेंगे, because you are having 1,000 only here. You have taken it 100 from this. Again the bank will give you 100. Now if you see the closely, every month the bank is using the same principle, means same money. The bank is using 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Okay, and he is giving the same interest every time, because 10% every time. So when the principal is same every time, we say it is a simple interest. Okay, now let me give you one example of this now. Okay, same thing I will take 10% the rate of interest, and in the month of January you have deposited 1,000 in the bank. Okay, now the bank will use your 1,000 and he will give you 10% of this after 1 month. So now the bank will give you what? 100 rupees, because 10% of 1,000 is 100. Now you have 1,100 in your account. You are not taking out this money. हम ये पैसा निकाल लेंगे. Okay. Now the bank will use how much money? Yes, this much of money bank will use, because we are taking it. Because this 1,000 was mine and this 100 is also mine, because the bank has given to me. This is not the bank's money. Now I have got 1,100 in my account. So what I do, the bank will use this money now. So for the Feb to March, the bank will use this much of money. Okay. So when you will check your account at the end of the March, so what will you have? You will have 1,100, which was previous, and plus 10% of this thing. Now the 10% of this thing was 110. So now you will have how much? 1,021. Now your account will have this much of money at the end of March. March के अंत में इतना पैसा मेरे पास. Okay. Similarly, when you have not taken out any money, okay, again the bank will use this much of money. आपका फिर 1,210 the bank will use, and you will be paid 10% on this. हमें इसका 10% pay करना पड़ेगा. Now the 10% of this will be 121. I told you how to find out 10% quickly in my online class. That suppose any number is given. and you have to find out 10% of this. If you have to find out 10% of this, you just put point here. So 10% will be what? 299. So 10% of this will be what? Put 0 here, it will be 100. 10% of this will be what? Put point here, it will be 110. What is the 10% of this? Put point here, it will be 121. So now it will be what? 1, 3 and 3, 1. Okay. Now if you see this closely, every time the bank, every month the bank is using different money. हर महीने बैंक हमारा अलग अलग पैसा यूज कर रहे हैं और the money that the bank is using actually increasing. In the January bank was using 1000, फिर Feb to March में हो गया 11, फिर March to April में भी 1210 means 1210. This is much of money is bank is using. Okay. Now, this is called compound interest. Compound interest is what called every time the principal is changing. Principal means the amount which is used. In a very simple language, if anyone asks about what is the principal, the principal means the money which is used here. Okay, जो पैसा यूज होता है, क्योंकि जब पैसा यूज होगा आपको उस पर इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. If you see there are so much of numbers written here, okay, but all are not principal. The principal which is the money which is used here. यहाँ पे 1000 यूज हो रहा है, so the principal is 1000. Here if you see the principal is 1000 initially, then it becomes 1100, then it becomes 1210. Okay, so just here you can see that every time the principal is changing and interest is also changing and amount will also change. And if you can see that the every time it is increasing, you must have seen in your daily life also, when you have some pending or some amount of your like house taxes, you have to put this pending. You have to pay the house tax. What the government does, he suppose your amount is what 1000. You have not paid. So every month the bank will add 1% in that. Okay. So he will add 1% of this every month. Okay, like when suppose the bank is adding, a government is adding 10%. So you have a pending of 1000. आपको इतना पैसा हाउस टैक्स बचा हुआ है, ठीक है ना, जनवरी. When you will check your house tax in the month of Feb में check करोगे तो उसमें 10% ऐड हो जाएगा, इतना हो जाएगा. And if you are not paid in the month of February, तो मार्च में आओगे तो मार्च एंड में कितना हो जाएगा, फिर 10% ऐड हो जाएगा. बट किसका? इसका नहीं, इसका. ओके, तो इट विल बी व्हाट 1010. आप फिर नहीं करोगे फिर 10% फिर ऐड हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट इज दिस? It is actually increasing. Okay. When this compound interest actually gives you more interest. It is very easy to, it is very good to take, but when it comes for giving, it is very difficult because it is a compound interest. Now I am going to explain to calculate simple interest, calculation of simple interest. To explain you, I have taken one question here. Find the interest on rupees 2000 at 10% per year for 2 years. Okay. Okay, now listen to me. We are calculating simple interest. Okay. Interest, because they find simple interest. See, there is a formula also, but first I am going to tell you how to calculate without formula. How can you do this in your daily life when you go to mall or some shop and you have to find out interest like this? So how can you find out this? In the just a previous topic, when we was talking about percentage, I told you that percentage is always of something and how to find out percentage. These two things were there. You have to find a simple interest on this. 2000 में simple interest निकालना है. per year for 2 years. Now look at this thing. 10% per year. Okay. 10% of what? 10% of this money. Okay. So let us find out the 10% of this thing. So 10% of interest will be how much? Interest is equals to what? 10% of 2000. It will be how much? 10 upon 100, and you can find out directly also. It will be 200. 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, it will be 200. Now it is for 1 year. We have to use for 2 years now. In first year the bank is giving you what? 200. Since we are calculating simple interest, second year or also the bank will use you whosoever is using your money will use 2000 only. So second year also it will be 200. So we can multiply this by 2 now. So interest you can say interest after 2 years will be how much? 200 multiplied by 2, that is 400. Okay. Now I am going to tell you with to do this comes with a formula. The formula is to calculate simple interest is P into R into T upon 100, where P is called the principal. Principal means the money which is used here. Here it was 2000, so it will be a principal. And it is the rate of interest, means on which rate the interest is being charged. So it will be a rate of interest. And time. T is time. Time is for how many years or how many months you are taking the money. So it will be time. So these are the meaning of the thing. So when you put it now, then you will get the answer. Okay. Let us solve this by using this formula. We can solve this by using formula here. Here P is what? 2000. R is 10% and the time is 2 years. Let us calculate SI. P R T. P is how much? Rate is 10 to 0, 0. Sorry. 200 multiplied by 2. It will be 400. Okay. Remember, this formula is not only for calculating simple interest. If you see, there are 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 things means 4 variables are actually here. 4 things whose values are not known. It is changed every time. 100 is fixed. This can be sometimes 300, here it is 400, it can be 100 also. P can be 2000, 5000, 8000. R can be 5, 6, 8, 9. Time can be also 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. So from this formula, we can calculate any one thing when the rest 3 things is given. Suppose these 3 things are given, we can calculate this. If it is given, a simple interest is given, P is given, and R is to find out, and T is given, then we can find out R also. Similarly, if you have to find out T, when these 3 things are given, S, I, P, R. Alright? Now I am going to explain you calculation of compound interest using formula this thing. Okay, there is actually a formula for calculate for simple interest, but we can find out compound interest with this also. Okay, I told you in compound interest the principal change of every year. Every time the principal changes. Suppose now how will you find out whether in compound interest, in principal will change or not? It is given that find interest on rupees 2000. Same question I taken at rate 10% for 2 years compounded annually. Here it is given compounded annually. Okay, and I have to find out interest on this thing, rate. So what we have to do, I have to take money for 2 years. I am using money for 2 years. So for a first year, the amount will be something. Means it will be 2000. But after the end of the 2 years, means when the sorry, not 2 years, when the second year will start. Okay, then the principal will not be 2000. It will be something else. Okay, I am again repeating. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट रेट कैलकुलेट करने के लिए पहले साल को वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग फॉर 2 इयर्स. सो फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर द प्रिंसिपल विल बी 2000. पहले साल से ही पैसा रहेगा, उसकी पैसा कुछ था नहीं. जैसे ही खत्म हो जाएगा, मतलब जैसे ही आपका सेकेंड ईयर स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, ये 2000 नहीं होगा, प्रिंसिपल कुछ और हो जाएगा. ऑलराइट, तो दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट the interest for every year. Means we are calculating for 2 years, so we have to take it for each year. मुझे पहले साल की भी निकालना पड़ेगा, दूसरे साल की भी निकालना पड़ेगा, ऐसे करके निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay, it's very simple. For first year, I have to find out the interest. Okay, let us write the principal here. This is the principal here, 2000. And rate is 10%, time is 2 years. Now interest for first year. पहले साल में पैसा यूज करेंगे उसका इंटरेस्ट फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर will be using the same formula. Principal will be same, 2000. Let us write the formula. P into R into P will be 2000. R is what? 10%. Time is 2. Sorry, not time. We will calculate this for 1 year, so it will be 1. Okay. For each and every year we have to use. So remember, we are using this formula. Every year T will be 1. Okay. So here will be 1. Now, when you solve it, you will get what? 200. Now, principal for second year. Now I have to find the principal. Before finding the interest, I want the money on which the interest is to be given. It's to be given. So principal for second year, जो दूसरा साल होगा उसके लिए. It will be how much? Earlier it was what? 2000. Now the interest will be added here. It will be what? 2000. Now you have to find out interest on this. आपको इसमें interest निकालना. So interest for second year. Say formula P R T for another. Principal will not be this, it will be this 2200. R is same 10%. Time will be 1 only. 0 0 cancel. It will be what? Okay. So you have to find out the interest. So how much interest you have got? 200 for first year, second year 220. So total interest will be how much? Total interest equals to 200 plus 20. It is 420. I know you people are not 420. So the answer is 420.